3D shapes are three-dimensional. They are not flat. Dimensions are an object's measurement in a particular direction, like length, width, and height. We use properties, like how many faces, edges, and vertices they have, to describe 3D shapes. A face is a flat surface of a 3D shape. A cube has 6 identical square faces. An edge is the line where two faces meet. A cube has 12 edges. A vertex is a point where two or more edges meet. Vertices is the plural. A cube has 8 vertices. Faces, edges, vertices.